Serum Project is a convention for decentralized trades portrayed by rapid and low exchange costs. A totally permissionless undertaking for decentralized finance is based on the high-performing restriction-safe blockchain called Solana. It is an open-source project sent off in July 2020. Helped to establish by Sam Bankman-Fried, who is likewise a pioneer behind FTX. Sam at first established Alameda Research, a digital money exchanging firm. In 2019, he established FTX Subordinate Trade. The Serum project is essentially supported by the Serum establishment and a gathering of cryptographic money specialists. Serum DEX has shaped with the coalition of Alameda Research, FTX, and Solana establishment. Still, they assist Serum with succeeding in administration. Serum's on-chain focal cutoff request book permits biological system accomplices to share liquidity and power market-based highlights. Clients can make applications that influence the liquidity of the stage and its biological system benefit. Serum is accomplished in SPL token resources. It utilizes Solana in light of the fact that its bunch benefits incorporate low exchange idleness, low expenses, high throughput, and security. It upholds almost 50K exchanges each second with a block season of 400 ms. No sharding is expected for the Solana blockchain. Solana has an extension to Ethereum, and it works with a strategy to twofold its ability and enhancements at regular intervals. The foundation of Serum comprises of the accompanying things: Serum tokens, which are utilized to pay for every one of the administrations and administration of Serum project; cross-chain trades by which purchasers can trade resources; computerized full cutoff decentralized request book; Ethereum Solana joining, which permits Serum Venture to interoperable on both Solana and Ethereum biological system and ERC20 tokens; cross-chain contracts, which permit simple edge position and DEFI on manufactured resources. Stage 1 of the Serum project was finished by posting the token on significant trades and carrying out on-chain DEX on Serum. Stage 2 finished up by finishing the objectives of carrying out Solana cross-chain connecting. Dynamic wallet biological system, pools, arrangement of making own wallet, dynamic GUI environment, and awards for projects. Stage 3 has not been finished at this point, however, going on. Outline of SRM digital currency. SRM is the local utility badge of Serum project. SPL token cross-recorded as ERC20. SPL token in Solana blockchain. ERC20 in Ethereum blockchain. ERC20 can be changed over into fast SPL with a MetaMask wallet. 1 million SRM tokens stacked together is called Super Serum. SRM is utilized for the expense and administration in the Serum biological system. Clients can make 1 MSRM by impeding 1 million SRM. There is a constraint of 1,000 MSRM on the planet. However, the holding power and advantages of MSRM are past SRM. 10% of tokens are opened and 90% have a long opening period. Exchanges executed way Serum are chargeable. 20% of tokens distributed for donor of task. 20% for the group and its consultants. 27% relegated as biological system motivation store. Staying 27% accomplices and teammate reserve. The underlying trade offering was on Aug 2020 of every 2 trades. FTX and BitMax with a measure of $0.11 divided by token. Estimated information shows that around 6 million tokens have been sold and $660,000 has been raised. To guarantee liquidity, 175 M tokens were in beginning course. Hence, holders of SRM have saved tokens to give liquidity to phenomenal purchase side interests. Around 125 million are available for use and 800 million are set to the side for a stake. Every hub requires 1 MSRM. Client gets rewards in light of hub's exhibition. Every hub has a maker. Who makes it is known as the head of the hub. Some portion of the charge will be credited to the pioneer. MSRM acquires somewhat more rewards contrasted with SRM purchasers. Serum cost today is exchanging at $2.63 with 24-hour volume of $144,641,678.02. The all-out market cap is $350,745,995.39 with a complete stock of 1,092,844,982 SRM. Circling supply of Serum is 133,231,781 SRM. The most exorbitant cost of Serum SRM at which it is exchanged is $13.72 on September 11, 2021. And the least cost of Serum SRM is $0.11, which was on Aug 2020, soon after the send-off of Serum cryptographic money. Specialized examination information on the week-after-week outline shows that after the unsurpassed high, the SRM is in a descending pattern. After a negative twofold top example, finding support couldn't. The serious selling pressure, the cost of Serum SRM looked after the unsurpassed high has beaten Serum SRM value forecast to another bullish track. The keep-going major upswing on the diagram is after the tremendous fall of September 7, 2021, which was a red day for the greater part of the computerized coins internationally. Serum began an upturn with a moderate volume increment. The Serum cost increment was gone on for the following 5 exchanging meetings with an enormous volume expansion which gave a decent revisitation of financial backers and contacted an untouched high Serum cost. The keep-going major upturn on the outline is after the immense fall of September 7, 2021, which was a red day for the greater part of the computerized coins universally. Serum began an upswing with a moderate volume increment. The Serum cost increment was gone on for the following 5 exchanging meetings with a huge volume expansion which gave a decent revisitation of financial backers and contacted an unsurpassed high Serum cost. Their Serum cost expectation proposes a non-stop development before very long. The most extreme cost of Serum could reach $5.16 toward the finish of 2026. L proposes that there is a rising propensity for this crypto later on. Their Serum conjecture has asserted that in the following 5 years, the cost could reach $102.52. L proposes that there is a rising propensity for this crypto later on. Their Serum figure has guaranteed that in the following 5 years, the cost could reach $102.52. Serum Value Gauge 2023. SRM cost gauge for 2023 beginnings at $3.96. In correlation with 2021 and 2022, this year is by all accounts somewhat bullish. Expect a future cost of $4.07 by the center of the year. The most extreme worth anticipated is $4.15, breaking it at its unsurpassed high and going to a beneficial venture. SRM Coin Value Figure 2024. Serum Coin Figure starts at a value level of $3.59. The base incentive for the year is $3.19. In the last 50% of the year, a greatest worth of $4.40 is assumed in view of the Serum figure calculation. SRM Coin Value Forecast 2025. SRM Coin Gauge ideally searching for a crisp opening for January 2025. 5 years throughout the time span. Serum is beginning with at least $4.51. Investigation for future expects Serum will contact $5.50 by July 2025. A further increment is anticipated with a greatest cost of $5.60. Consequently, long haul forecast has a ton of assumptions in the presentation of the coin. The Serum value expectation depends on a drawn-out calculation thinking about current levels. They will exceptionally rely upon the presentation of the organization and cryptographic money market across the world. SRM Value Forecast 2026 and then some. There may be adjustment seen in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025, as indicated by our Serum cost estimate in light of past information. The coin is anticipated to stretch around a base worth of $4.23. The Serum cost can arrive at a limit of $5.15 with a typical exchanging worth of $4.68. With new coordinated efforts, expanded reception, and a devoted local area, the Serum environment might reflect critical development later on, and the SRM